Welcome to Bike Update, your go-to channel for the latest in the world of two-wheelers. Today we're diving into the highly anticipated 2025 Benda Napolenbob 500, a motorcycle that's turning heads and redefining the mid-suite cruiser segment. Overview of the Benda Napolenbob 500. Benda, a name synonymous with innovation and bold design, has raised the bar yet again with the Napolenbob 500. This cruiser-styled motorcycle combines striking aesthetics, impressive performance, and advanced features that cater to riders seeking both style and substance. Whether you're a city commuter or a weekend explorer, the Napolenbob 500 promises a ride like no other. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Benda Napolenbob 500 lies a powerful 500cc parallel twin engine. Tuned for smooth performance and exceptional torque delivery, this engine provides the perfect balance between power and efficiency. Riders can expect seamless acceleration, making it ideal for highway cruising and urban maneuvering alike. Design and features. The Napolenbob 500 boasts a retro-modern design with a bold fuel tank, distinctive LED lighting, and a low-slung seat that screams cruiser elegance. The high-quality build materials and attention to detail are evident in every curve and finish. Key features include full-color digital display, dual exhaust system for a throaty roar, advanced braking system with ABS for superior safety, comfort and ride experience. Designed with rider comfort in mind, the Napolenbob 500 features a well-cushioned seat, relaxed handlebar positioning, and adjustable suspension. The ergonomics ensure a fatigue-free ride, even on long journeys, making it a top pick for adventure enthusiasts and cruiser lovers alike. Price and availability. Benda has yet to release official pricing for the Napolenbob 500, but it's expected to offer strong value for its features and performance. Availability is projected for mid-2025, with global markets likely to see staggered launches. Stay tuned to Bike Update for the latest pricing and booking details. Final thoughts. The 2025 Benda Napolenbob 500 is shaping up to be a game-changer in the cruiser segment, blending style, power, and cutting-edge features. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the cruiser world, this bike promises an unforgettable experience. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Update. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on the latest bikes and gear. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.